This is the application Simple Drafting, and in this video we're going to talk about drawing arcs. I've created some construction lines, and if you haven't watched the video on lines already, you should do that to understand how to create these construction lines. To draw an arc, first you select the arc command in the command bar, and you're going to have to define the start point, the end point, and the center point of the arc. So we'll turn on the snap feature, and we'll click to the start point of this line, which will be the start point of our arc. You can see in blue there is the midpoint or the center point of the arc, and the cursor is drawing to the end point of the arc. So we'll snap to the other end of the line, and that will define the end point of the arc. So now you've got the start point, the midpoint, and the end point of the arc. We'll do the same thing here. So now we want to adjust the midpoint in this particular example. So we're going to change the midpoint to the intersection of these two lines. And that will give us an arc with a radius of 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. The arc can be edited by selecting and moving the midpoint as we just did, or selecting and moving the end point. Once you've selected a point and you decide you don't want to move that point, you can hit the escape key to end the edit procedure, or you can also move the start point. The arc's line weight can be changed by selecting the arc, and then you'll see the properties in the properties bar. None of these properties here can be edited in the properties bar, but we can change the line weight here in the line weight drop down box. We can change the line type to hidden or center. And we can change the color from the color flyout button. Also, you can zoom in and zoom out by holding the control key down or rolling the mouse wheel to get a better, closer view of the arc when you're selecting its edge or wanting to select its points. And this concludes our demonstration of an arc in Simple Drafting. Thank you for your time.